Welcome into my office. I'm Brian, and we are back today ready to examine this 3-volume beautiful set right here. Look at this. These are signed or stamped bindings by Root of London. They have 1825 at the base of the spine, a nice Art Nouveau look to the bindings. So these bindings are probably later in the 19th century, or even conceivably very early 20th century, although the work itself is 1825, and this is an engraved title page here with an engraved frontis right there, an original tissue guard, and after the preface is an extensive detailed contents leaves, and after these comes the text like so, and scattered throughout the set are approximately 16 I believe it is, or 17 engravings, not counting the title pages, like this one here of Cimabue, Italian painter. These are Anecdotes. There's facing his anecdote of Cimabue and Giotto, who was his pupil in Italy. And here we have Van Eyck right there. And at the back is a folding. Yep, see that?
That?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, you can edit it out.
You can? Okay. And so there is this folding plate here at the rear, which is a timeline of various artists that are covered within the work. That plate, by the way, is an engraved plate, which is kind of interesting. The second volume, again, all 3 of them are beautifully preserved. Top edges are gilt, and like so, with marbled end papers. They're all tight and sound. It's a very lovely set. There's Michelangelo portrait and profile bust, and here is the residence of Michelangelo on the title page. And again, we have extensive detailed contents, and then start all the different anecdotes. And then we have, for instance, there's Carracci, and here we have, I believe I just saw, there's another one. There's, I think, 3 or 4 or 5 per volume, roughly. And I may miss some, but you'll see a lot of them. And there's Claude Lorraine. And the final volume, again, like so. Let's see here. Yeah, like this. And there's also a list of plates in this volume. There's Titian portrait. There's a beautiful, that's a great title page, right? The French Academy in Rome. And again, the detailed, all the artists are named and all the various anecdotes. And here's the arrangement of all the plates. And this list does not include the engraved titles. And that's the direction to the binder's leaf. And then, again, we see like this. And another one. Hogarth, the great caricaturist and satirist. Okay, and there's Dow. And there's an extensive, as well, detailed index at the rear, like so. And there's also this folding plate of various artists' autographs. And that shows you how this lovely and scarce set survives, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.